You see your heads!
A tense domestic dispute in Fresno, California, escalated into gunfire in a dangerous police chase, with a 3-year-old child caught in the middle. On May 7, 2025, officers responded to reports of a man threatening his ex-girlfriend with a gun. What started as a domestic violence call quickly turned into a chaotic scene involving shots fired, a high-speed pursuit, and multiple injuries. 31-year-old Martin Campos had allegedly pistol-whipped his ex-girlfriend and was chasing her through town, with their toddler in the car. She told dispatch that Campos was ramming her vehicle, threatening to kill her, and bleeding from her head. Officers rushed to the scene, knowing a child's life was on the line.
911, state your emergency.
Can somebody please come to me? Somebody just hit me with a gun, and I have my daughter. They're trying to kill me right next to me. Please, I'm bleeding. I'm on I don't know. I'm on shields. Please
Okay,
come.
are you on foot or in a car?
I'm in a car.
What kind of car?
I'm in a BMW.
What color?
A blue.
Are you alone in the car?
No, I have my daughter.
Okay, who was it that hit you?
It was an ex-boyfriend.
And he hit you with a
I
gun?
think he busted my head open. I'm gushing out blood. And he's following me right behind me.
Okay, hold on, okay? I'm getting the call in.
Okay, he's like trying to hit my car.
So you're driving, you're not parked?
No, because he's like trying to abuse me right now. And yeah, my daughter's in the car, and he hit me with a gun.
Bodycam footage shows officers closing in at a traffic light near Jensen Avenue. Campos pulls up behind the victim's car, then suddenly raises a handgun and fires. An officer reacts immediately, returning fire. In the chaos, the woman slams her car into reverse, hitting a police cruiser behind her. The child remains in the back seat, shaken but unharmed. In that moment, officers had no time to wait. The suspect was armed, aggressive, and endangering both the victim and a child. Deadly force is legally justified when there's an imminent threat. But when an innocent child is in the line of fire, how do you balance speed with precision? What would your priority be in that instant?
Charles 14, I'm with you, 102.
You see your heads!
After the gunfire, Campos speeds off, crashing into 2 civilian vehicles as he flees. A sergeant initiates a pursuit, staying on him through traffic. The suspect is still armed and unpredictable, and officers coordinate to box him in. Every second matters, not just for safety, but to prevent further violence.
You come out with your hands up, or we will shoot you again! Come out on the ground!
7 Charles 14, line of fire is going to be to the east. I need units to arrive from Jensen and 41. Let me take over for you, Sarge.
You got it.
Get out of the car! Do not reach for anything or I will shoot you! Get out of the car! Turn off my siren!
Siren!
Unlock the door! Get out! If you reach, you won't get shot! Come out! Face away from me!
Turn away.
Get out and face away! Keep your hands up! Get out of the car! Get out! Face away! Walk backwards! Hands up! Keep coming! Keep coming! Keep coming!
Eventually, Campos slows down. The sergeant fires another round, and this time, Campos gives up, hands out the window, no resistance. Officers draw down carefully, order him out, and arrest him without further incident. It's a rare but fortunate ending, considering how this all began. The victim, who suffered head injuries, is treated at a hospital. 2 others hurt during the chase are also evaluated. EMS confirms the child is physically okay. Campos is now facing 11 felony charges, including attempted murder and child endangerment. Bail is set at over $1.8 million, and if convicted, he could spend the rest of his life in prison. This case shows how quickly domestic violence can spiral and how officers are forced to make split-second decisions. With a child in danger and gunfire erupting at a traffic stop, the margin for error was razor thin. This could have ended much worse, but officer training and timing likely prevented a tragedy. How should police handle violent suspects when children are caught in the middle? Did the officers show the right amount of restraint, or should they have acted even sooner? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's talk about it.